Welcome to the installation and commissioning tutorial for the JIANMENG CNC 4-side V-grooving machine. First, hoist the equipment to the appropriate position. Remove the 4 lifting rings. Place the independent operating console in a suitable location. This is the list of accessories. Remove the 2 gantry fixing blocks. Then place the iron blocks under the foot screws at the 4 corners of the equipment. Next, adjust the level of the machine. Correct the level by adjusting the foot screws. Please place the level at the 3 positions shown in the video. After the equipment level adjustment is completed, tighten the nuts on the base screws at the 4 corners of the equipment. Place iron blocks under the remaining foot screws to make the screws bear the force. Next, connect the foot switch, the spring air hose, and the air gun. Connect the independent operating console. Pass the wire of the operating console through the square hole. Install the cover plate of the square hole. Remove the electrical cover. Install the plug and the network cable of the operation console on the socket and PLC respectively. Connect the air source and the power supply. Connect the power cord to the circuit breaker. Make sure the input power is 3-phase 380 volts. After all work is completed, turn on the power. Install the electrical cover shell and the cover plate. Turn the key switch, wait for boot, move the X-axis back. The equipment installation is now complete. Thank you for watching.
JIANMENG